Hey everybody. Hello. 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 Hey everyone. I think I need to add audio input capture over here. Microphone, Realtek. Okay. Hey everybody. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I think my voice is audible now. Okay, so let's get started. So, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 7th of March and this is 2023. So, after so long, I have come over here live. So, let's get started, guys. So, let's open GBP JPY chart over here and gold as well. So, gold has been moving way high, and it's like not even a roller coaster ride over here. It's like a one-way move. Look at this. One-way move, no coming down. So let's remove all the drawings and let's start with the analysis. So this is GBP JPY. This looks quite good to me right now. So GBP JPY, let's go to the daily time frame. So daily time frame is obviously moving all the way down from here, and if we look to the left, so I'm gonna mark some key levels first. So basically, what are the key levels? Key levels are the levels from where the market is about to reject, or it might move back up, or it might just have some issues in breaking down over here. So as we can see right now, the GBP/JPY is at a strong key level to the left, and if we go to the lower time frame of 4 hour, then let's have a look by zooming in a little bit. So our 4 in time frame for our 4, we can clearly see that this is a strong key level because the market has rejected it multiple times. So we can say that right now also the market might reject this level over here, but obviously we don't know that. So let's check or get more confirmations over here. So currently the trend is sells over here, right? Like the bigger trend is sideways, I can say, and the smaller trend or the today's trend is coming down, like sells over here. And if we just zoom in a little bit, then right now the market is at a strong key level, which is coming from the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame. So there are so many doubts in my mind that is it gonna move down or is it gonna move up. I really have a doubt over here because I have seen the market rejecting the key levels and moving all the way up, like changing the trends in seconds. So I think I'm gonna wait with the GBP JPY. So instead of sells, what I would really like to do is, or I would really like to see is, I would like to see a upward move from here, and like there should be a support formation, and after that it should be moving up because we have this clean range to the left. Also, on the other hand, I'm really expecting the market to reject this key area and reverse back from here. But some people will ask me that what if, or if the market starts to move down from here. So guys, in case the market starts to move down from here, then I'm gonna wait for a resistance to be formed, and after that resistance formation I will take a sell trade only, because the thing is I'm really not sure whether you know it's gonna move down from here. So let's just wait and watch. And let me check my settings over here, because after so long I have just came online today, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so my stream is set to public. Let me check from my phone. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Yeah, we are live. Okay, so I'm live over here, and Right now I think YouTube is not showing you 1080p resolution, so I'm gonna mess around with the settings, and tomorrow we'll be updating the settings over here, because after so long I came online, I have just installed this OBS software through which I'm going live. So have some settings to do over here. So let's just wait and watch, and let me check when will the NY session will be opening. So it will be opening around, let me check, 6:30 Indian time. So we have around 45 minutes for the NY to be opening up. So let's wait and watch, because the thing is I'm really expecting this move to happen in like few minutes. Maybe at the time of NY open we are gonna see this move going up, or if not, then I'm gonna obviously wait for a resistance to be formed, and then a downward move will be coming up. So let's have a look at the weekly time frame. Yeah, weekly time frame is coming down to the key level over here. See guys, the key levels are really important levels, because they really tell us very much information about the market, like what's the market next move can be. Okay, so nothing is 100%, but obviously they are really nice and very actually strong information of the market. They really provide you that. So, and one more thing I would like to show you over here, like how to basically draw these key levels and how to use them. So I'm gonna remove all the drawings from the chart, and we are gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. This is a very useful information, so I thought that I should really tell you how to draw these levels. This is really easy. It's like drawing support and resistance levels, but the only difference is that these are the key levels. So again, I'm going to tell you that the key levels are the levels from where the market can really reverse, or from where the market can really change its trend. So in the 4-hour time frame, let me just fix this. Yeah, now it's good. So in the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that these are the points from where the market has rejected earlier many times, right? So this is a strong key level from where the market has rejected 1 2 3 4 multiple times. Okay, and after that, what happened over here is the market went up. It tried to broke the key level, so the trader is gonna think that from here the market will be moving down, but no. Whenever the market reaches a key level, we guys always wait. You should always wait whenever the market is at a key level, because you really don't know from here the market's gonna break that key level or not. So from here the market went all the way up, created a new high which was clearly above from all the previous highs. So that clearly means that the key level over here has been broken by the market. So from to which point you need to draw another level over here, like this. So from here the market went all the way down, came again back to the key level, and after that the market bounced back to that high again. So guys, this is a very strong piece of information. If you can just remember this will be really helpful in your trading career, because we need to gather every piece of information from where we can really get the exact idea, or we can get a high probable trade. So Whenever the market do things like this, like creating a new high, then came back to the key level, and then showing you a strong rejection at the key level, so this is the point. You start to think of, like in this case, you start to think of buying the currency, buying the GBP JPY. Okay, so whenever this thing happens and you are ready to buy, you just don't dive into the buy position over here. You wait, you watch the market, okay, till the point you get a strong confirmation. Like over here in this area, the what was the strong confirmation point? The 4-hour rejection candle. Look at this. And this next confirmation point was when the next 4-hour candle broke the high of the previous candle. So that was the point from where you should be going all buying or buying GBP JPY. Okay, so what happened next? After that, it went again up, broke the key level, came back down, retested a little bit, and after that it created a new high. So when it created the new high, what you need to do is, and it didn't came back over here, it came back from this point, so that means this is your new high. From here the market went down. So what the market did over here is that it crossed below the key level. Okay, so people were waiting over here to buy GBP JPY, but what I told you over here at this point is you should wait for the confirmations. So those who really bought the GBP JPY at this point without any confirmation, they really lost their money at that point, because there was no confirmation. There was a strong sell candle, and after that the next candle, just hold on guys, I have to pick this up. Okay, so where I was, I was telling that, so the next candle opened below the key level. Okay, so this was a strong confirmation that the market's not gonna move up, it might move down over here. So these are the little confirmations. These are the little confirmations you need to find out whenever you are looking for a trade setup, or trying to buy or sell in the market, because these are very strong levels and these things can really help you off. So after that, what happened is the market went all the way up, then came back down and gave a strong rejection, but obviously this candle closed above the key level, so waited for another candle, and then we got a confirmation candle, a strong bullish candle closing above the key level. Okay, so this was the point where some buys can be taken, but obviously it could be a really losing trade because the market went all the way down. So now right now the market has arrived again on a very strong key level. So I think from here the market might possibly bounce back a little bit, and then it might come down or it might move up, really don't know. So we need to get some strong confirmations which can really tell us that it's going to move up or it's going to move down. So let's just wait and watch. And if we talk about gold, gold is really messed up right now because the move has been done. Look at this move over here, it happened today, and after that this move also, it happened actually no, this move was happened on 4th. Yeah, so today was a pretty much messed up day for gold. Look at this, look at this, small candles are building up in gold. So I think let's have a look at the 4-hour time frame in gold and where it can really go. Let's check this out. So there is nothing on the left. I think gold has broken all the highs today. Let me check gold rate. Not now. Yeah, I think it has. Yeah, it has broken all the highs. This is the Indian gold rate price. Let's check XAU USD rate. Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, so gold has broken each and every high. It came down like a little bit few months back, and after that it has broken a new high. So this is what it is with the gold. So what I'm gonna do over here is I'm just gonna sit back and relax, not gonna jump into the gold because obviously it can really give some losses over here. But if anybody is looking for a buy trade in gold or a sell trade in gold, then these are the two levels. So buys will be above I think this point, 2161.656. I'm gonna just mark this level. Yeah, this will be your buy point idea. And for sells, I think not sure about sells over here because the market might face some issues because of these wicks at this point. So what can be a good sell trade is if you sell below this area or basically below this wick. Yeah, so I think sells will be good below 2149.647 and buys will be good above 2161.801 level. So but what will be a nice trade for me personally, that will be GBP JPY trade. So I might take a buy above this level over here. So I'm gonna open the calculator as well to calculate my lot size. So guys, there is a golden rule over here. Whatever is your account size, whatever is your account size, you're not gonna risk more than 2% a day. Not a day, actually, a trade. You are not gonna risk more than 2%. So your daily loss should be 2%. And if you are gonna take multiple trade, or if you are gonna have multiple setups, or you're planning to do that, so what you need to do is you need to divide that 2% into two trades. Like you can risk 1% per trade. You can do things sort like that. So let's I think the volume will be coming in at the time of NY open, because right now it's like 30 minutes left for NY open. and currently this candle is already running and there will be no trade in this candle actually. So I think at the time of NY open there will be volume coming up. So at the time of the volume I'm gonna only trade. So yeah, so I'm gonna tell you how you can calculate the lot size. I have actually written this formula because after so long I'm also trading. So suppose your account is $1,000 size, okay, and you are risking like 2%. So what will be the 2% of $1,000? It's like $20. $20. So you are risking, actually I'm gonna calculate it. Yeah, so it's $20 you are risking. Okay, so out of this $20, what you're gonna do is, so you're risking 20, right? So you will be dividing like $20 and divide by your SL. So what will be your SL? What you're gonna do is, suppose we are gonna take a buy trade at this point, and we are gonna keep our stop loss below this candle low. Okay, so whatever is your target, that doesn't matter. What matter is what your stop loss will be. So if I look at the stop loss, then my stop loss is coming out to be like 48.5 pips. So that's equal to 485 points. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide this 20 by 485, and this will be giving me my lot size. So the maximum I can take is 0.04 lot, 0.04 lot on a $1,000 account. Okay, so if you guys will be following this thing only, look, this really looks so small because the amount is very small. If you do this on a like bigger account, like $100,000 or $10,000 maybe, then this thing will really make some sense. So I actually, not before, but now I always do trading like this only. And this thing is really very powerful. It doesn't really seems like very powerful because it seems like quite boring. And to be very frank, this seems like quite boring to me as well. I didn't use this thing much in my live trading as well. If you will be watching my old videos, then I rarely used this thing over here. So because of those things, what happened over here with you is, uh, you will face massive losses. Like, not always, but what will happen is you will lose that discipline. And once you lose that discipline, that movement, trust me guys, that moment is the moment from where the loss is gonna come into your life, and it's gonna just destroy your trading thing, trust me. So to avoid that and to maintain the discipline, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just take your 2%, divide by your stop loss of value in points, and you're gonna get your lot size. So right now nothing is happening. Let's have a look at the news. Okay, so this is the economic calendar. Let me just attach it over here. So in 38 minutes there will be a Euro news coming up, and after that Okay, so this there is interest rate decisions of euro, so it might also impact other pairs as well, because interest rate is a very serious kind of a news which really impacts the whole economy somehow. But and then we have USD news as well, so that will be coming in like 53 minutes. Jobless claims, yeah, initial jobless claims is there. And tomorrow is, I think, the first Friday of the week. No, actually, let me check. Non-farm payrolls will be, yeah, tomorrow. So tomorrow is a very dangerous day, I would say. So I'm gonna not take any trades tomorrow. So basically, these news trading days are for those who really like to trade the news only. Okay, so I'm building a expert advisor which will be trading the news only, so that uh, because the thing is, you know, managing the account when you are trading a news is extremely difficult, because the things are not in your control. You don't know what the slippage will be, you don't know what how much the spreads will be going, uh, and will the market will be, you know, going up and down in like seconds. So what's going to happen, you really don't know. So to basically predict those things, or to basically know some information about those important things like slippage and spreads at the time of news, I'm gonna use the expert advisor I'm gonna make for the news trading only. So yeah, let's play some non-copyright music. Non-copyright. Okay, so the music is playing perfectly fine. So as I told you over here, it might reject this area, and from here it might just go up. So what information is are we getting from this area? So let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and if we look at the previous 4-hour candle, it came down but it rejected the key level, and now the current 4-hour candle also tried to move all the way down, but as we can see right now, the market is actually rejecting this key level over here, and it's pushing back up. And if we switch to the 1 hour time frame, then 1 hour time frame clearly is a strong rejection thing. So the market went down, and now it has created a support at this point. And right now, if this candle closes up like a bullish candle, then this will be clearly another support above the previous support. So whenever the supports are above the previous supports, that means the market is changing its direction from sells to buys. So just waiting for some confirmations before taking a trade. So let's see what happens. I'll just come back, guys.
Loving your Spotify free experience so far? You can always discover new ways and more places to listen. Learn how to download music to play offline and turn shuffle mode off or on, depending on your mood, with Spotify Premium.
Loud. So let's also have a look at the 30-minute time frame. So 30-minute time frame is quite messed up. So guys, what's the thing is, the lower the time frame you're gonna go to, it's gonna start to get messier and messier. So to keep it really simple and to keep it really nice and easy, just stick to the bigger time frame like 1 hour or 30 minute. sometimes 15 minutes, but not obviously always. So yeah, like right now I'm gonna just stick to the 1 hour time frame, because I think the 1 hour time frame will be working really nice in this particular setup. And gold is just consolidating right now, so just we'll wait for the New York session to be open, and after that I'm gonna take a buy trade. So let's see what happens. So if we look at the market hours, then New York will be opening in 13 minutes. I really want to see GBP JPY do something like this. Break above and move to this area. Because if we zoom out a little bit, then I think this should be the area where the GBP JPY will be going easily to this level. Because this is a key level coming from the left. So if the market has to move down, then it really has to go back to some key level, and then it's gonna take some volume out of the market, and then it's gonna move its way. So I think many of you or few of you people might heard of the point of control thing, right? Some call it point of control, some people call it institutional buying or selling, something like that. But what those and I call it basically key levels. So what basically all these three things are, it's the one thing from where the market gathers volume, and after that it goes into its way. Like most of the times this thing happens, obviously not always. So whenever this thing doesn't happen and the market starts to go against us, at that point of time you really have to manage your risk properly. So in 10 minutes this 1 hour candle will be closing, and now these 10 minutes are really important. Why these 10 minutes are really important is, let me show you. So I'm gonna draw a support, support down over here. So to take sells, basically we need this candle to close below this support. But the problem is, if this candle closes far below this support, then at that point of time it can really go back for a retracement and then move down. So what I really want to do is, I want to see is, I want this candle to close below this support, but not really far away, a little bit nearby the support level. If not, if we look for buys, then I want a candle to close above this resistance over here, or somewhere near the resistance, so that the next candle will wick down, move up, break the high, and continue to move up. So these are some things I really want to see, and I'm gonna stick to this plan only. If anything else will be happening, then I'm gonna change my plan, but I'm not gonna trade unnecessarily against my plan. Yeah, gold is really messed up, guys. Just don't try to take a trade in gold right now. Just wait for a candle to, close outside basically these zones. Even though you see a candle moving all the way up, like in single push, all the way up and tries to break the high, but then also trade don't take a buy trade, because what can happen is market do this all the times. It can really go up, will show you that yes, I'm gonna move all the way up, but what can happen over here is it can really reject and come back all the way down and close back inside the range. So to avoid this silly thing, just wait for the candle to properly close above or properly close below this support area, and then you make your next move plan. So look over here, it's like 7 minutes remaining and this candle is now trying to push all the way down. So at this point of time, guys, at this point of time there will be New York session opening also. Okay, so what can happen at this point of time is the market can possibly move down with heavy volume, which will be coming from the New York session open. So those things also we need to keep in our mind. So I'm gonna just focus on this area now. So look over here. Before the candle closes, it might tries to move all the way up and then comes back or close back inside the range. So candle is about to close, and let's see how it's gonna move. So look at this, gold really showing us that it's gonna move all the way up, and now people will be taking buys over here at this point. When this will be breaking this high or maybe this high, people will try to take buy trades, but just stay really calm and patient, guys. So in 16 minutes there will be news coming in, and euro will definitely impact GBP JPY a little bit. So the news just came in. GBP news, kind of same, so nothing much will be happening. Now this candle just closed with a rejection wick, so the next candle might go down a little bit, then it will go back up maybe. So to see that, let's go to the 4-hour. So what actually we are expecting is that in the next 59 minutes this 4-hour candle will become a buy candle. So logically, can that be happening? It's quite tough to say, because if we look at the 4-hour candle, then in the past 4 hours this candle moved down like a sell candle, so it will be tough, but let's see how it goes. I'm gonna really stay away from gold. So GBP JPY is trying to push the price up, created a lower wick. So what if this candle breaks the high of the previous one? So that will kind of make this as a support, I think. So nah, I'm gonna wait.
Bored of the same old tunes and want something new? Oppo brings you tunes you can flaunt with the Discover Weekly playlist. Explore the all-new Oppo F25 Pro 5G's ultra-clear 4K videos on front and rear camera and stand out from the crowd with its stunning lava red design. Born to flaunt. Tap the banner and flaunt your music tastes with the Discover Weekly playlist. Brought to you by Oppo.
Look over here, guys. As I told you what gold really can do, it will go up, break above this high. Yeah, it's just playing. It might move all the way up, but right now it has the full power of playing with the people. Because the thing is, it's moving really messed up right now, like from the past few many hours. It's just, making some off kind of a move. So really don't want to trade in such kind of a market. So what can happen is, if we go to the 30-minute time frame, then if this really has to go up, then there should be volume coming in right now, and this is the best time for GBP JPY to really start moving up, because right now this is NY open and we are trading on a high volume time. Also, there is a few kind of a news coming in like 5 minutes as well. So I think this is the time where GBP JPY can really, start moving up. If it really has to go up, then only. So the news just came in, and there will be some impact on the market. So let's have a look. So the interest rates remained the same. Let's see how this will be impacting the market. I think the results have been the same, so nothing is happening. So there should be no impact of this news on the market except for few pips. Nothing's gonna change over here. Gold again tries to capture some of the traders now. Alright, so GBP JPY is now breaking the lows right now, and I'm gonna just stay out of it because in 5 minutes, let's look at the 30-minute candle. In 5 minutes, this 30-minute candle will be closing. Also, right now it's approaching to a strong level of support. So we don't really know whether this candle will be moving all the way down, or will be, closing somewhere over here, or will it be just giving a rejection wick to the downside and close back inside the range. So because very less time is remaining in the candle to close, like 5 minutes, and I really don't like such kind of a setups. So if I take a trade, then I will make sure that that trade is like above 60 to 70% probability should be there. So yeah, just stay out of it right now. Let's see what happens. So look, right now 3 minutes remaining, and right now the current candle is rejecting the lower side. So that's why it's very important to wait and let the candle close first, and after that you react to the market. So gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close, and after that I will see. So what if this candle closes below this area of support right now? So now we know that this is a strong key level, and right now the market will be closing somewhere below this strong key level. So if that happens and the next candle wakes up and breaks the low of this candle, then I will be thinking of selling GBP JPY. So let's also have a look to the left side as well, like what's happening on the left. Is there any clean range which we can really follow to take the trade? And let's have a look. So we are expecting that the next candle will be breaking the low and continue to move down. So if we need to calculate this whole range, then it's about 23 pip off range, which is a really nice range to trade in. Yeah, so I think there might be a good trade coming up, but obviously not sure, because first I need to wait for this candle to close first.
Press our faces down. No.
Now this is becoming a massage request.
Yeah, don't press on our faces. There should be a play button somewhere at the bottom. Stream now.
And but if what happens if this candle closes back inside the range, then At that point of time, I'm just gonna wait. So more news are coming in. So initial jobless claims came out to be same as well. So the candle has closed inside this area. Now again, it just became a range right now. Nothing is happening. Okay, so gold is now moving up, but I don't know. This might be not a very good point to take a trade. So I think you should wait for a support to be formed, and after that, you can take a buy trade. But not right now. So nothing is happening right now. I think at the time of NY open, NYSE open, it's gonna make some move. Yeah, in like 45 minutes, NYSE will be opening up, and after that, we might see a move coming up. So now there is no news. Like in 1 hour 44 minutes, there's this news over here, but it has some time. So let's see how it goes. Because right now the market is really dead. Nothing is happening. It's just that the market is basically, I think, recovering up from the move today, and there will be again a continuation move, maybe, or maybe an upward move is coming up. I really think that the chances of upward move to be coming up is quite high, but if it starts to move down, then obviously I'm gonna look to the market in that sense only. So nothing in gold. Gold has already done its move, so nothing.
Bored of the same old tunes and want something new? Oppo brings you tunes you can flaunt with the Discover Weekly playlist. Explore the all-new Oppo F25 Pro 5G's ultra-clear 4K videos on front and rear camera and stand out from the crowd with its stunning lava red design. Born to flaunt. Tap the banner and flaunt your music tastes with the Discover Weekly playlist. Brought to you by Oppo.
Alright everybody, so right now in gold I'm looking this as a setup for the support formation in gold. I am gonna explain why I'm saying that. Let me just few things. So right now, as we can see, this candle has broken and closed all the way up from the past consolidation, and it has also broke above this area of resistance as well. Now the previous candle closed a sell by rejecting this area coming from the left. Now the current candle has broken the low of the previous one, but if the market is moving up, so then this can be a problematic thing for gold over here to move down. It can move down obviously, but the thing is, what my idea is about trading gold is that right now the market is moving down in this candle over here. This candle is moving down, so what I'm looking for is I'm looking for this candle to reverse back and break its own high and continue to move up. So that's something I'm looking for. If this thing will be happening, like if this candle, like 3 minutes just passed away, and look at this, how this candle is moving all the way down. So this is not normal, guys. This is because of some news, or this might be because of that gold really wants to touch the support zone and then trying to and want to move up from here. So something that can happen obviously. So what my plan over here is, if this candle reverses back, break its own high, I'm gonna take a buy trade definitely. After that, I'm also gonna manage that trade if it goes against me. So but right now it's just currently moving down, so yeah, let's see. And second thing what can happen is, this candle can close back inside these two zone or range, and then ranging will be continue to move on. But really wanted some nice trade over here. Look at now, GBP JPY is moving up, so I'm gonna wait for a candle to close above this area to take a buy trade. But in case if this candle just breaks above these highs and tries to push the price up, then I'm not gonna take any trade in GBP JPY, because the thing is, this can be really risky. If we talk about coming back inside the zone things, then that's something which can happen here. So I would like not to prefer to take any trade at that point of time, because a good trade can be over here, but not in between, plus below, just below the resistance area. So let's just wait and watch. So let's wait for the NYSE open, because that's the second most volume time of the day. So I'm gonna let you guys know if I'm gonna take any trade. So everybody, now this candle will be closing above, if this candle closing will be closing above this area of resistance, then I'm gonna wait for the next candle to form a lower wick and then break the high of this candle. So 2 minutes remaining for GBP JPY to close. Nothing is happening in gold, and I don't think that in the next few minutes also anything will be happening over here in gold, so I'm just gonna close the gold. Plus in 31 minutes there is USD news as well, so not sure what's gonna happen, but this can be a really nice opportunity in GBP JPY. So let's have a look at the 1 hour. So that means we are assuming that this 1 hour candle will be going all the way up. So let's just zoom out a little bit and then imagine this as a setup. Okay, so we are assuming that this 1 hour candle will be moving up. Yeah, it can be a thing. So let's go to the 4 hour. So this is the new 4 hour candle, and it's yeah, it's already moving up, so that can be something of our use. So 1 minute remaining. Okay, so here's the idea of the new trade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the next candle to break above this area over here, and will keep my stops somewhere around here. So that's around 134 points. So let's quickly calculate the lot size. So the formula was your loss divided by your SL points. Okay, so here the SL points is 134 points, so divide your loss like 2%. Alright, so when this candle will be moving up, break this area, it should be moving all the way up. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep my stop loss below this candle's low. So wherever this candle low will be, I'm gonna keep my stop loss at that point. So let's see where the stop loss gonna be. Then obviously I'm gonna recalculate my lot size. So it has created a lower wick, I think. So now the stop loss is 170 points. We need to really quickly update our lot size according to the stop loss basically. And obviously I'm gonna try to lose less than the 2% of my account. And one more thing I would like to really add at this point. So as you can see, NYSE open is there. So there can be volume coming up, and which will take the candle all the way up. So we'll be zooming in a little bit. Yeah, now everything looks really fine. So I can also take a trade when this candle breaks this candle's high. But the problem is, if we look to the left, then there is this wick rejection happened earlier, right? Even though this candle closed above all these candles, and this candle is creating a low and will be breaking the high, but what can happen is this candle can move all the way up, okay, move all the way somewhere up over here, and then it might just reject the higher prices to continue to move down. So this will become a fake out at that point of time. So that's why I'm aiming for this price over here, a little bit, just a little bit below this wicks high, because if the price will be reaching over here, then the chances of breaking that high will be really high. So, and plus this is there is a clean candle, and I think without any problem the market might move up. So to be safe, basically I have decided this price to buy. So if something will be happening, then it will happen either on this candle or the next candle. But after this candle close, I'm gonna end the streams, because don't want to be a trade forcefully in the market. So this candle can be closed like this also. The way it's right now, it can really close like this. Oh, showing some okay. So it's about to break the high. Actually, it's about to break, it has already broke the previous candle's high. Now anytime it can give us our price of buy trade. Alright, so I have took a buy at this point of time, keeping my stops below the current candle low. Okay, so as you can see, the trade is moving all the way up. So my stops is at 188.617. 617 modify. Yeah. So now how I'm gonna manage this trade if it goes against me. Oh, it's already, let me just convert it as points. So running in like 4 pips right now, 5 pips. So what I'm gonna do is once this candle reaches 10 12 pips, maybe 13, I'm gonna close 90% of the trade and let the rest run, because I'm assuming that this can be a push to the upside because of the key level it has formed. So we'll be working like that only. So now it's coming back down, right? So it went all the way up in like 5 pips, somewhere around 5 pips. So it's coming back. Okay, so here's how I'm gonna manage the trade. If this candle comes back down below this wick over here, okay, I'm gonna close 50% or some portion of the trade. So right now running in 5 pips, 5.2. Let's see if it goes up or not, because according to me it should move up. Alright, so it has crossed 5.9, 6.67 pips. Oh, really nice. 8 pips. Oh, it has crossed 10 pips, guys. Okay, closed 90% over here, keeping stops at break even. So congratulations everybody who has won this trade with me. So now the break even is at 188,792. 188,792. So now I have closed 90% in 12-13 pips, and my break even is at my stop loss is at break even. Now if it continues to move up, it will be really great, or if it goes back to the to the break even, then obviously I have already won. So this will be a plus point for me only. So this was a quick trade with you guys. So as expected, everything happened exactly as we expected. So this is how everybody should be trading, because sometimes people, what they do is they just gets into the trap of the market. Okay, you don't have to really get into the trap of the market, because there will be traps everywhere. So you have to be really confident and stick to your own setup which you are looking for, basically. Otherwise market will give you like 100 times opportunities every day, but you cannot really take each and every opportunity, okay, because obviously you are going to end up losing. So let's have a look like where the market can go from here. Let's go to the 4. Yeah, so this is the 4 hour, and the 4 hour, as we can see, the 4 hour is moving up strongly. If the volume continues to pump in, then it can possibly move up away from our break even point, and then this trade can continue as a runner. Let's see how this trade will be going. Alright, so the runner is running in like 13-14 pips right now. I'm really excited to see how this trade will be going, because you know, if this trade starts to move up, if the market really starts to move up from here, then there is a huge amount of pips this trade can achieve. So let's see. So okay guys, I'm gonna I'm gonna take your leave from here. Let's meet tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, maybe on Monday. So just subscribe the channel so you will get the alert. No, tomorrow not, because tomorrow is non-farm payroll, so there is no trading on non-farm payrolls. Plus I don't trade the news as well. So yeah, I'm gonna post this result on my Instagram channel, so you can check that out as well. And yeah, that's it. So take care everyone, have a great day, and thank you for being online with me guys. So for more updates and trades like this, just follow Global Trade Live, subscribe Global Trade Live, and tell your family and friends who are in trading business so that they can follow and earn the free profits from me, and also the knowledge as well. So take care everybody, cheers.